When it comes to land surveying services in Jaipur, one name that stands out is Scon Design India Private Limited. As a private land surveyor, they have established themselves as a reliable and professional company in the industry. With their expertise and experience, they provide accurate and comprehensive land surveying solutions to clients in Jaipur and beyond. Private land surveyors play a crucial role in various stages of land development projects. They are responsible for measuring and mapping the physical features of a property, determining its boundaries, and providing detailed reports and data to support legal and construction processes. Scon Design India Private Ltd excels in these areas, offering their clients the assurance that their land surveying needs will be met with utmost precision and efficiency. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Private Ltd as your private land surveyor in Jaipur is their commitment to excellence. They have a team of highly skilled and knowledgeable professionals who are well-versed in the latest surveying techniques and technologies. This enables them to deliver accurate results within tight deadlines while ensuring compliance with all relevant regulations and standards. Another factor that sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart is their customized approach to each project. They understand that every property is unique and requires tailored solutions. Whether it's conducting boundary surveys, topographic surveys, or construction staking, they take into account the specific requirements of their clients and provide solutions that are both cost-effective and reliable. Scon Design India Private Ltd also prides itself on its use of advanced equipment and software for land surveying. They utilize state-of-the-art tools such as GPS receivers, robotic total stations, and aerial drones to capture precise measurements and create detailed maps. If you are looking for a private land surveyor in Jaipur, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. As a leading surveying company in the region, Scon Design India Private Ltd has a team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors who specialize in private land surveying. Whether you need a survey for residential, commercial, or industrial purposes, our team is equipped to handle all types of projects. As a private land surveyor, our primary goal is to provide accurate and reliable surveying services to our clients. We understand the importance of precise measurements and detailed mapping when it comes to land development and construction projects. Our team utilizes state-of-the-art surveying equipment and technology to ensure the highest level of accuracy in our surveys. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, we offer a wide range of land surveying services to cater to the specific needs of our clients. Our services include boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, subdivision surveys, and much more. We have experience working with individuals, developers, architects, and engineers, and we are committed to delivering exceptional results on every project.